In my last video, I showed you how to make multicolored cupcakes. Today, I'm going to show you how to make multicolored buttercream to go on the top. I'm using my American buttercream recipe, which is so easy to make. Check out the video in the description section. I'm also using good quality gel food coloring to color my buttercream. Make sure that you use gel food coloring or powdered food coloring and not liquid food coloring to get really bright and vibrant colors. So I made a whole batch of buttercream and divided it into three. I've colored one red, and here I've done the same and colored it green. And then the last one I've left white as the uncolored buttercream. So now we're going to prepare for the piping. So you want a piece of cling film, and what you're going to do is make a row of buttercream with each color. So starting with the red, I'm just going to put that onto the cling film. And then once I've done with the red, I'll do the same thing with the green. Again, just beside the row of red buttercream, I'm going to be putting the green buttercream, and then I'm going to be putting the white buttercream. While we're here, if you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button. I have loads of tutorials available for you to learn how to make amazing cakes, and I post videos at least once a week, so you don't want to miss out. So click the subscribe button and turn on all the notification bell so that you know as soon as I post a new tutorial. So once you have put the buttercream, you're just going to gently roll it into what I call like a sausage shape, and then just twiddle the ends of the buttercream so it's nice and secure. Take a scissors and snip one end of the buttercream. Next, grab your piping bag and the piping tip that you want to use. I'm using a 2D piping tip. Set that up and then just gently slot your sausage of buttercream into the piping bag, and then you're ready to go. So I've just done different styles because it's Christmas. I wanted to pipe Christmas tree style piping, which I'm doing over here. But if you're not doing this for Christmas, you can literally do this sort of piping for any type of color theme. So again, here I'm piping a different style of buttercream Christmas tree, which looks really nice. And I finished up by just doing some swirls with my buttercream. So I hope that you'll try this easy piping technique for your Christmas cupcake. Happy baking and Merry Christmas.